Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Openigloo app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Openigloo is a rental review app focused on helping renters in New York City find trustworthy landlords and buildings. It allows users to read anonymous reviews left by tenants about buildings, landlords, and management companies. You can search by address or neighborhood, check for complaints filed with the city, and see inspection records, violations, and safety scores. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is praised for its clean design and easy navigation. Users appreciate how much transparency it provides in a city where housing issues are common. The building reviews often include details about noise, heating, pest problems, and responsiveness of landlords, all of which are valuable when searching for a new place. The city data integration gives a clearer picture of a building's history beyond just user reviews. However, there are a few downsides. Some users report a limited number of reviews outside major neighborhoods, which can reduce its usefulness in less populated areas. Others have pointed out occasional glitches or slow loading times. Since reviews are anonymous, there's always a chance of biased or exaggerated feedback. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Openigloo is worth trying if you're apartment hunting in NYC and want to avoid unpleasant surprises. It adds a layer of transparency, especially helpful for renters navigating the complex NYC housing market. Just remember, it's a supplement to your research, not a replacement for visiting or checking listings in person. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.